In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the hydration errors quite easily. So when you get the hydration error in your Next.js application, you will see the notification on the left bottom side. So right now it is saying that there is one hydration error and it has printed something like this, which looks like a tag. And over here it is saying in HTML, a cannot be a descendant of a. But it is not telling me exactly in which component, in which file this error is coming from. So how do you find that information? To get that information, you have to open the console and then over there you will see the complete trace where the error is coming. So you can see that this error is coming at A, at link component, at A, at link component, at div, at course cards, at main, at home page. So basically this is giving me the component tree. Okay. So you have to go backwards like this. So here you can be sure that the error is coming in the home page component, and inside the home page there is a main component. So error is coming over there. So let us go to the home page component. So here you can see that this is my home page component. Okay, and what it is saying is that in the inside the home page, go to the main. Okay, so go to the main, then inside the main go to the course cards. So go to the course cards. So here you know exactly in which component this error is coming from. So you can skip this hero component, FAQ component, because the error is not coming from those components. So it is saying go to the course cards. Okay, what's next? Then it is saying that go to the div. Okay, inside of the course cards, it is saying go to the div. Now here you can see that there is lots of divs over there. So here it is a bit difficult to find exactly which div we have to look at. Is it this div or this div? Which div is causing the problem? So when you are not sure about the specific element that is causing the problem, what you can do is that you can just start removing the section of that component. For example, I'm gonna remove this particular section. Let's say this one, and then save this, and then just reload it. So if the error comes again, that means that particular section that I just deleted is not causing the problem. Okay, and you have to keep repeating this process. So you can see the error is again coming. So that component or that section of the code is not causing the problem. So I'm just gonna put it back. So let us now try to get rid of this one because we know that it is something to do with the A tag. So let us remove this link component and then see what happens. So I'm gonna save it and then again refresh this. And now we can see that error is not coming. So that's how you can fix this iteration errors. So basically what I was doing is that I was putting this link component inside the link component, but that is not allowed in the HTML. You can't have tag A inside tag A.